Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Learn with Gisela. In this video of mensuration, we shall take up a question related to capacity of rectangular cistern and volume of metal used to make this cistern. Now cistern is a tank used for storing purpose. Now whenever a thickness is given to us, we always have an outer dimensions and the inner dimensions. That means because of this thickness, we have the inner volume and the outer volume. Now, if we have to find the capacity of a cistern which is in the shape of a cuboid, we will use the formula of internal volume, that is length into breadth into height. And if we have to find the volume of a metal used to make the cistern, we will use the formula of external volume minus the internal volume. Now let's start with the question. An open rectangular cistern when measured from outside is 1.35 meters long, 1.08 meters broad and 90 centimeter deep and is made of iron which is 2.5 centimeter thick. Find the capacity of the cistern and the volume of iron used. Now given to us external dimensions of the rectangular cistern, length is equal to 1.35 meters. We can convert into centimeter by multiplying by 100. So we'll get 135 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 1.08 meters, which is equal to 108 centimeter. Depth is equal to 90 centimeter, that is our height. And thickness of iron used is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Now because of this thickness of iron, our internal dimensions will be different from the external dimensions. Like you can see in the given figure, the length is reduced because of the thickness on either side, and thickness is 2.5 centimeter on either side. So the outer length, which was 135 centimeter, we will subtract 2.5 minus 2.5 and we'll get 130 centimeter. Similarly, in case of breadth, 108 minus 2.5 minus 2.5, we will get 103 centimeter, as on either side we have the thickness. Now in case of height, since it's an open rectangular cistern, so we will have the thickness only at the bottom and not at the top. So we will subtract 2.5 only once. So we'll get 90 minus 2.5 is equal to 87.5 centimeter. Now we have to find the capacity of the cistern and the volume of iron used to make this cistern. Let's start with the solution. Now the external dimensions are length is equal to 135 centimeter, breadth is equal to 108 centimeter, height is equal to 90 centimeter. So we can find out the external volume, which is in a form of a cuboid. We can say length into breadth into height. So 135 into 108 into 90, which is equal to 1312 200 centimeter cube. Now internal dimensions are also different. So we will say length is equal to 130 centimeter, breadth is equal to 103 centimeter, height is equal to 87.5 centimeter. So the internal volume, which is also called the capacity of the cistern, is given by the formula length into breadth into height. So we will substitute the values. We will get 130 into 103 into 87.5, which is equal to 1171625 centimeter cube. So this is the capacity of the cistern, 1171625 centimeter cube, which is also the internal volume of the cistern. Now we have to find the volume of iron used, which is always external volume minus internal volume. So we have already calculated the external volume and internal volume. We will just write down the measurements. We will write 1312 200 minus 1171625. We'll subtract both and we'll get 140575 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of iron which is used to make this cistern. Hope you have understood this question. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you everyone.